Hiya. Right, we're going to make a card wallet. All the things, that's these, that you chuck in your junk drawer if you come in from work, and you don't need to take so many out as a business card. Anything that's this size, or receipts, anything that you wish to keep in a drawer. You know what it's like, you go to open a drawer to find something, you can't find it. So if you put things in a wallet, it's in the drawer and you know exactly where it is. It's 2 pieces of fabric, 8.5 by 8.5, 8.5 by 8.5, and there's 8 of these, and they're 8.5 inches by 4 inches, and they're folded in half and pressed. A button and a piece of ribbon. What happens is, once we've sewn it all together, this is the way it closes, and then all these things are actually on the inside. Your button will be there, your ribbon will be on the other side, and then and that's the way it works. Right, great way for using up scraps yet again. So we'll start. You put your first one on. You put your first one across the top, and you measure 3/4 of an inch down. When you've sewn that, 1/4 inch all the way across the bottom, and you put your next one on, 3/4 of an inch down, sew across the bottom. Then you put your next one on, 3/4, and that's why the tape measure's here. I should measure it with a tape measure and use a pencil. And then when we've done a few of these, we'll come back and we'll see what's next. So there you go. That's just move it over there, you might be able to see it better off the board. There you go, all done. That comes over, and can't do it with one hand, but there you go, you've got the idea. There you go then. It's one card holder invented by me. So anyway, it's an idea, it's what my daughter wanted, and I'm going to use this one in my drawer, and then I might be able to find things, especially my bingo card, etc, etc, once a year when I go to Suffolk. So you don't use your cards all the time. So anyway, I hope you found this interesting, and happy sewing. Thank you. Bye.